What's up, Cyberhawks? In today's video, we'll be showing you guys how to RDP into your machine. If you are on a Mac, it's a little different than you would if you were on a Windows device. So we're currently on Azure right now. You can follow along with me if you're on Azure, but if you're not, just be sure to have your public IP address. So if you're on Azure, go to portal.azure.com and then go to virtual machines. Or you can just type it up here, virtual machines. And then on this one, we'll try to go to our attack VM. So let me go ahead and just turn that on real quick. And then we'll click on that. And then as you guys can see, I have my public IP address, which is currently this right here. We're going to go ahead and copy this. And we're going to save it on the side here. So if you're used to using virtual machines, you know that you will have to actually RDP into it if you're using it on the cloud. So let's go ahead and go to the App Store. Again, this is if you're on Mac. So we're gonna go to the Mac Store, and then here, just go ahead and type in remote desktop. So go ahead and type in remote desktop, and you'll see a full list of different ones, but the one that we'll be using is the work from anywhere. This one with this symbol, and you would just hit download. It should be free, and some of these costs. This one is just be free. So go ahead and click on that and download this. And once it's downloaded, we'll just open it up. You will see here. You will get to not this screen, but it'll be like another screen where you can add your workspace pretty much to get started. And all you have to do is just go ahead and click through that, and up here you should be able to add a PC or a workspace. Go ahead and just go ahead and add a PC to this. Now here, once you go ahead and add the PC, you can add in the public IP address. So whichever your IP address is, you just saw mine on my Azure for this test account. But if you have another one, you can go ahead and put that there for the PC name. User account, well, yeah, we'll go ahead and ask when required. Again, you can change this if you already know what account is going to be on. And then the friendly name, we're going to name this the YouTube test. So the friendly name, it will pop up here on the actual screen. As you guys can see, I have the Tech VM and Windows VM. It will just appear there with that name, so it's just easier to remember. So we're going to go ahead and add that there. And as you can see, we have our 3 machines with our YouTube tests. So let's go ahead and click on the YouTube test. Now it's asking for my username and my password. And this one, I have it like this. And let me put in my password that I already have. And again, you just put in your username or password that you have for that virtual machine, and then just hit continue. And yeah, hit continue again. And it'll take a few seconds, and then bam, you should be able to actually access your Windows machine or your Linux. And voila, we're currently inside our machine. Is that easy? That simple. On Windows is pretty easy too. May do a video on that, but if you're on Mac, it is also pretty easy to access your virtual machine in Azure or other cloud services using the RDP. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave those in the description. Leave those in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.